Ladies and gentlemen, I just rolled out of bed and it is a dark day on the internet. It is a dark day for Bitcoin. It is a dark day for investors. Wow, something happened last night. Maybe just yesterday, and basically BitConnect has tanked. It's finally gone under. It was a pyramid scheme. It was a Ponzi scheme. We all knew it. We all knew there was something shady going on with it. It's going down. It's taking human beings with it, and it's taking Bitcoin with it. So what BitConnect was a place where people threw in money and got 1% return every day. So people were throwing all kinds of money into it. Number one, you should know that if you make over 30% profit guaranteed, geez, if you make any profit guaranteed, get out. Well, maybe not any profit. You're guaranteed 3% profit with stuff at the bank. But they were promising 1% profit a day. So, 360% profit a year. But whoa, that is crazy. If you're an investment manager and making 30% a year, you are doing top of your game. You're doing great. So yeah, they're doing this by saying, okay, when it dips, we sell. When it goes, when it dips, we buy. When it goes up, we sell. And they have this bot that's got everything figured out. The bot has it figured out. Don't question it. It's just the bot. Well, they've closed up. They were revealed they got cease and desist letters from places in the United States, and they're folding. They're going under. 5 days they're going under. Everybody's wondering when they'll get their money. Everyone's wondering if they'll get their money. Everyone's wondering if they'll start making lawsuits. I was on it's kind of okay. So the way I found out about this is I was on the Bitcoin Reddit, and everybody was laughing at them. So that's a problem in and of itself. Everybody laughing at these guys. Yes, they knew what was going on. But this is like a Black Tuesday. It's almost like we got people throwing themselves out of windows. There's just literally suicide hotlines out there that were posted on the message board. This message board for BitConnect is now closed, and you have to be invited in order to join. I really should have joined up yesterday. I have a lot of concern for these people. But what I also have a lot of concern for is people running Bitcoin. I'm not talking Bitcoin Cash. I'm not talking anything else. I am seriously concerned with the way that Bitcoin is being run. It is not the same Bitcoin that it was even 2 years ago, even 1 year ago. And it's really concerning. It really seems like the people that are in Bitcoin have turned into the evil people that they wanted to avoid, that they wanted to get away from. Yes, correct, they are no longer the central bank, but they have given themselves, they themselves become so greedy, they have machine hearts, machine minds, and lizard people actions. And when I say lizard people, I mean they're not thinking about anybody else, they're just thinking about themselves. They're not thinking about new ways of doing things, they're just thinking about old ways. It's just, wow, it blows me away. People are losing their life savings and other people are laughing. You go to hell for stuff like that, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not a religious people. I'm not a religious person. Sorry, I'm so early, my dialogue isn't even on. But I'm not a religious person by any means. But every now and then I see stuff that shocks me, human beings doing things that upset me so much that I really wish that there is a hell. I don't care about the heaven part, but I wish there was a hell for people to burn in. And yeah, we knew. We all knew that BitConnect wasn't going good. But we have human beings out there that have totally lost everything. If you can't say something good, then just shut the hell up. I wonder about some of these people. I really wonder about Bitcoin. Anyway, so now, since this is tanked, Bitcoin has also come down. Now, I don't know exactly how much it's come down, but I can tell you that about this time last month I had $1,500 worth of Bitcoin, and that right now is worth $990 something dollars. Now, that gets me onto another thing. The issue with what Bitcoin has become. We have so much wild speculation going on in Bitcoin, and no one can trade anything because it's so damn hard to trade in Bitcoin. I can go to Western Union and get better money transfers than I can get with Bitcoin. So what's the point in using Bitcoin? We got so many people within Bitcoin that want to keep these fees high, that want to keep things difficult. Everyone wants to go with the original Bitcoin because it's the gold standard. But the spirit of Bitcoin is within Bitcoin Cash now. If you can't send Bitcoin cheaply, then it ain't worth it. If I'm sending $30 in Bitcoin and I have to pay $5 to do that, I just might as well go to frickin' Western Union. I might as well send an email with money in it. It makes no sense. And the people running this stuff, okay, nobody understands the way that Bitcoin runs, for the most part. Okay, I got my Bitcoin miners over here, okay? I got my Bitcoin node over here. Oh, what's a node? There's a lot of people who have no idea what a node is. So a node is the ledger. I'm mining over here, we're adding to the ledger. I got a ledger over here. I don't get any money for it. I don't get nothing for it. So who makes Bitcoin? Oh, Satoshi makes. No. Who develops for it? Who is the Bitcoin core group? Who is the blockchain group? Most people can't tell me anything about this kind of stuff. And the people running it, they just seem more interested in keeping fees high. People who have Bitcoin are only interested in keeping it. Nobody's interested in trading it, because if they do, the prices are phenomenal. The people who are developing it, the Bitcoin core group, have nothing to do with Satoshi. The only reason why they are as powerful as they are is because everybody uses them. Everyone downloads their program. And the blockchain group, not the blockchain period, the blockchain group. I hardly understand how they control everything. You would almost thought Satoshi controls everything. If you think you know how this stuff works, for love, just put it, try it. Put it in the description, or not in the description, put it in the comments. Tell me how you think this stuff works. Because I guarantee none of yous know. Well, maybe one or two of yous know. But we got a lot of evil in Bitcoin now, and it's starting to be shown. I think today we're going to watch the fallout of Black Tuesday. That's it for me. Nev from Nev's Tech Dump. Take care of each other.